this special? The video through the rain. Look at that car. He's gonna spritz. Look at that. Holy. I love it. There's gonna come a nice video. See, the sun is on the Rocky Mountain. Over there. We just approached this place. You can see all the traffic coming to the drop of rain on my windshield. Nice, huh? Special effect, what we call. Yes. Got to make a creative work of art with those videos. Otherwise it's get boring. Watch the same thing. Hope you like it. Come back. Look how sunny is further there. When we turn, that's where the gentleman turn, we have to go back to Calgary. Hope you like it.